Welcome to my YouTube channel, Tushari's Math Academy. Today I'm going to do the grade 6 English medium first term, second chapter. That is the place value. Under this chapter, I'm going to teach you how to read a huge number. Look at this number. I assume you don't know how to read this before we learn that chapter, right? After that, you can learn how to read huge numbers. Right? Now look at this number. Do you know how to read this number? We'll see. Right? Now, under that, there are some questions. The first step, you separate this number into zones. In mathematics, there are major 4 zones. Right? Okay, when you go to upper grade, trillions also there, we are learning up to billion. Right? There are major 4 zones. The first zone is unit zone, right? I can separate this number 3 by 3. That's this first you learn separate into zone, right? Starting from the last digit, you take 3 by 3 and separate, right? Separate by a comma at the very beginning. Now this first part is called unit zone. Second 3 digits are called thousand zone. Third set is called million zone and billion zone. Right? Now these are the zones. Right? First you can separate into zones. Now the next one, we'll see how to write in standard form. Sometimes in the exam they will ask, write the number in standard form. When you write the standard form, now you separate into zones like this. You don't write the zone name. Earlier I have written to introduce the zone name, but here you don't write the zone name. If they are separated into zones, you have to write the zone name. See the difference between these two questions, right? Sometimes some teachers, some books, they put a comma. That is also correct, huh? Right? Keep a space and comma. Actually, comma is no needed. Once you separate with a space, that's it. That's how you separate into zones. But this is called standard form. This is how you write a number in standard form. Right. Next one. Write the above number in words. Now, this is the most important part. Now, once you separate into zones, we can read the number starting from this. How do you write? 5, follow the zone name, billion. 839 million. 14,000. You know how to read 3 digits number? 14,000. 267. We don't say unit. All the other zones we read, follow the zone name after reading this. But for the unit zone, we don't write the units, read the unit zone. Now, shall we do it again? 5 billion, 839 million, 14,267. Right? I assume you can understand that. Right. Now we'll see how to show this number on an abacus. Right? Abacus කියන්නේ පොඩි කාලේ අපි ඉගෙන ගන්න ගණකරාමු. Right? In grade 5 you have done in Sinhala medium sometimes. Right? Right? Counting frame also we can tell. Right? Now look at these are the zone place values. These are the place values. 1, 10, 100, 1,000. Since you have 10 digits, you need 10 rods. Right? First you draw the 10 rods and write the place value. Then we start. Wow. Unit number 1. Unit place. 10th place. 10th place. 100th place. 1,000 place. Like that you can go. Right? 7. Then you put 7 counter. Very easy. You have done this. Abacus in grade 5 also. Right. Now we'll go to a place value table. Right? Now how do you show, for this I have taken the same number to show the place value. Right? Write the place value. Now, start with 7. The place value is 1. Value denoted by the place value is 7. Now 6. The place value is 10. Place value denoted by is 60. 200, 200. 4,000, 4,000. Very easy. 0, the place value is 100,000. Likewise, you can get the place value and the value denoted by the place value. Right? Okay. I assume you can understand this lesson very well. Do the exercises in your school textbook also. And subscribe my video channel and click the bell icon also. Then you can get the future lessons also. Thank you for watching my video.